What are you drawing?
We call Mommy.
Can you draw me a picture?
Yeah.
Can you draw me a picture? Can you draw a car?
Yeah.
Can you draw a nice car?
We call Mommy. Red car.
You can draw me a blue and red car?
Yeah.
Wow.
Red car. Open.
An airplane?
Yeah.
Nice airplane.
Okay.
Wow, that's your airplane?
Hi, girl.
Thank you. I love you.
Not your car.
Yeah.
Your picture.
Mm-hmm.
Red shoes.
Pink shirt and red shoes.
Red hat.
And a red hat.
Red car.
A red car.
Red D.
Can you draw me a bike?
Yeah. Dada call my your bike.
Tata colored your yellow bike?
Your my.